Hello everyone, this is Harsh Kumar and in this video I'm going to tell about why I chose SST over another NIT colleges. So first I would like to introduce myself. My name is Harsh and I am from Jharkhand, passed out to 12th in 2022. I took a drop year after that to prepare for IIT JEE. In that exam, I scored a 96 percentile that was enough for me to get into any NIT colleges with a decent branch with an OBC quota. Randomly one day, I was going through YouTube videos and then I got to know about Scalar. I researched about it and got fascinated with the curriculum that they were providing. I researched about it more, talked to Scalar alumni, instructors, and many more to get a better understanding of what their vision is. So I applied for that, and then in the first time only, I cleared the ANSET and got the interview call and cracked the interview as well. So the question comes now that why I chose SST over NIT. So the first thing is the curriculum. The curriculum that we are getting here is exceptional. It's very different from the other traditional colleges. Colleges such as NITs and other tier 2 or tier 3 colleges, they provide overall learning but that in 4 years, and their first year consists of physics, chemistry and biology. But here it's something different. We don't have physics, chemistry, biology in the first year. From the day zero, we start learning coding. Instead of writing that on pen and paper, we directly code it on our system. Second thing is the instructors. Unlike the NIT's professor or IIT professors, we have someone known as instructors. They are the working professionals or work in different companies such as Amazon, Microsoft, Google, etc. So they know what all things to teach and what all things are required in this industry. So the third point is the peer group. We, the group of 191 people, are very helpful and very supportive. At our time, the selection ratio was only 3%. That is very selective. So the group is very refined. The fourth point is the opportunity and exposure. Since we are living in Bangalore, so we get different kind of people. We meet with different kind of people that are related to tech or not related to tech. We get opportunity to attend events such as hackathons, talk shows, etc. Like few days ago only, I went to an AI event that was organized by Google. There I networked with many different people. So the opportunity here is very high. The fifth point is the guidance. Here we are provided with one-on-one mentorship. The mentors that are provided are the industry experts that are working in companies such as Visa, Google, Microsoft. We students are allotted one mentors each, those who interact with us every month. They provide the guidance what to do and what not to. So the sixth point is implement while learning approach. Here, whatever we learn, we apply it immediately. We have lab sessions to implement those things that we have learned in the classes. That is the one of the best things I like here. And the last point, but not the least, is the internship program. After 1.5 years, we get a 1-year internship that is paid, and in that we get an exposure, we get an hands-on experience to work with the companies. So now talking about the experience here so far. Experience here has been fantastic. I have been building projects from the very first day. We have been meeting with super mentors such as CTO of Flipkart, CEO of Dukaan, and many more people. We have been getting first-hand on experience with what to build and what not to. So now comes the biggest question. Do I regret not joining NITs? The answer is a big no. Why can I say this? Because 2 days ago, when I went to my home, I talked to my friends who are studying in NIT and they have studied nothing apart from physics, chemistry and biology in their first year. There's a fun thing that happened to me 2 days ago. A friend of mine that is studying in I think second year called me and asked about what all things do I need to study in DSA. I was like, you are in second year, I am in first year. I have completed the DSA almost and you have not even started. So I was the one who guided her, who gave the materials to study. So that was the thing that made me feel very confident. Like she is studying in second year and I am in first year, but I am able to guide her. So this was a very good thing that I liked. So this was my experience here. So if you have any doubt or any query, you can ping me on LinkedIn. I'll be very happy to connect. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.